everybody. So we ordered a subscription of HELLO BELLO, mainly because I don't really want to go to the store and buy diapers, and also because I spend most of my time at home with my baby, and I really want to make every moment special. She is my only baby, and diaper changing is already not the most amazing thing, so this definitely helps out. So let's check out this HELLO BELLO. My husband is opening the package, and let's see what his initial reaction is. What do you think, honey? They just look like regular diapers?
Yes, but they do have cute designs. This one's donuts.
So cute. I love the donut one.
Like little foxes and...
Oh, it's an owl. But what's the other thing that's on there?
Fox, owls,
I see something.
a bear.
We'll be able to open it up. Okay. That.
Farm animals, like a chicken, a pig.
That one's cute. I think that one's my favorite. I might have got 2 of those.
This one is these.
Oh. So the thing is, I got 7 packages, but every package has a different design.
Strawberries.
Oh, look at the little strawberries.
And there's Superman ones.
And they also have Supergirl on them. So these have Superman and Supergirl on them. And my baby wears a size 3. So I'm excited about that because they should fit her pretty good. Right now she's wearing diapers that are free from the library, and although those are great and we are grateful for them, it's the first time she's gotten a rash. So we wanted to buy something of better quality. So I actually got 2 of these. The little night animals. How cute. Bubble bath. So my husband has been the one that has been putting on bubble baths for baby with her shampoo, and it actually comes out pretty good. But I wanted to try this one. It was free. It came with the whole purchase, and so it's a pretty big bottle. It's 10 fluid ounces, so it should last us. Want to open the bag, honey, to see what it feels like at least. At least one of them we can open up. I actually thought the diapers would be a little bit more pigmented. They're kind of light in color. What do you think about that, honey? True or not really?
Kind of thin.
Kind of thin? Ooh, so soft though. I actually feel like she would enjoy this. Let's see. Yeah, these feel at least a little less rough than...
Oh yeah, they're less rough.
Less stiff than the ones that she has.
That's for sure.
Let me show you the ones that she has right now. Yeah, this feels comfy in here, especially around her legs.
Yeah, these are a lot more comfy than the other ones, for sure. Her
legs won't be all red.
I'm just wondering if we'll see the little line when she's blue.
So cute. Well, you know, the thing about this is we can always cancel the subscription if we don't think it was valuable, but I did at least want to try. Now let's check out the one that she has currently, because we ran out of Huggies and Pampers. So again, the library at our local library has these, and you know, they serve the purpose pretty good. They're not too shabby, but they're a little bit on the stiffer side. Even though this is size 3, I want to say it fit her on the smaller side as well. I only have one hand, but you get the idea. Just, you know, a generic pamper. Okay, so Thank you. That was Hello Bello. How cute. And as soon as baby saw this box, she crawled to it and crawled to it and wanted to play with it. So I think we should keep this box for like a day or two.
She's a cat.
Cute.